Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I'm here with Panther, putting my freshly coated bumper on. You know, I'm starting to think I've been taking these things off and on wrong the whole time. With this bumper off, the lower part and just the top on, I had easy access to those two 10mm bolts there. I pulled this off, accessed these screws that go along the top, and easy access to that. Now, I went on ahead and secured the top of that on, put the trim back on. Now I'm going to attach the bottom. I'm going to slide the bottom up there so that this goes under that piece there. Then I'm going to press these in to the top part, snap those in place. I'm going to work around, turn the steering wheel, put those rivets in. I'm going to crawl under it, put the screws in from up on the bottom, and that thing's going to be in. I mean, yeah, it's easy to take it off if you stick a tool up there and work those 10mm out. Take all these screws off that aluminum part, but heck, you could take this part off, never even touch that top part. So let me go ahead, lift this up, put it in place, snap it in, let you guys know how easy that was. In about 10 seconds I set that thing up there in place, and I pushed the center 3 clips in. Now I can come across here, push another one in, push another one in. See how easy that thing is wrapping around here, going in place, and it's just about where it needs to be over there. So I bet you if you cut these rivets out, you can start peeling this out just like you peeled it in and get this thing off after you take those lower screws out. So let me finish snapping this in around the top part of this bumper. I was distracted on the phone when I started this job and forgot to put my support under the bumper.
I can't believe it.
It looks fine, but if you bump into anything without that styrofoam back there, you're likely to crack the bumper. So I'm gonna cut my bottom piece loose. I'm gonna peel it back off, try to tuck this under there without taking the top part off, and put the bottom part back on again. So I'm cutting these off here, and then I'm peeling the bumper off like this. I already got the ones out of the bottom. Wait a second. I zoomed in by accident. Alright, I just cut those loose. I started peeling this off. I come around here. I got the screws out of the bottom. So just work your way around, pulling this out like this, and you'll get this bumper off in no time. Never fun doing the job twice. Nonetheless, I took that bumper totally off, totally apart, put the styrofoam in there, put it all back together, 8 minutes. So it can be removed and replaced less than 15 minutes. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.